Now, with the given information, we are going to prepare a receipt and payment account. So just see the question. Opening balance of cash in hand is given. Cash at bank is also there. Subscriptions received is there. Donation received 50,000. See in the bracket it is given for construction of shelter, means this type of donation. Yes, if you can remember how it will be treated. RIL, receipt, income, and yes, liability. So the receipt is with specific condition. It will be treated as liability. Sale of old newspaper, obviously income. Salary paid, payment. Rent paid, payment. Printing stationery, purchase of books, payment. Purchase of furniture, office expenses, investment, closing balance of cash in hand, closing balance of cash at bank. So how we will prepare it? You have to draw the format. Open your notebook, draw the format of receipt and payment account. On your left hand side, first write to balance BD, cash in hand 20,000, cash at bank 30,000. On the receipt side also write it, subscriptions 1,50,000. Whether donation will be there or not? Yes, we are preparing receipt and payment account, not income and expenditure or balance sheet. Donation has been received, it will be recorded. Sale of old newspaper. Now come to the payment side. Salary paid, rent paid, printing stationery paid, purchase of books, purchase of furniture, office expenses, investment. Thereafter, closing balance of cash in hand and cash at bank. If the question, these two side receipt and payment should be italic, if otherwise not explained in the question. So look at how it will appear. You can see opening balance, subscription, donation, sale of old newspaper, salary, rent, printing stationery, office expenses, books, furniture, investment on payment side. A very simple formula to prepare this. Whatever opening balance is there, add all the receipt, deduct all the payments, then the balance is cash in hand or cash at bank. Okay. So I think we have learned that. Now we can start. Now suppose legacy has been received by any NGO. So the legacy received by that, every time I used to say NGO, legacy has been received by NPO organization. So how it will be treated, where you will show it? Legacy has received, so it will be on receipt side. Interest on investment, then again it is on receipt side. But if interest accrued on investment, how you will deal it in receipt and payment account? Will you record it? No, because receipt and payment is prepared on cash basis and accrued interest is not been received, it is still accrued. Okay, in the same manner, salary paid, just you can see in the question also 28,000 and outstanding salary is 2,000. Will you record it on the payment side? Yes or no? It will not be recorded. Why? Because salary is still outstanding. It has not been paid. There can be so many examples for this one. You can, yes, find it out. Depreciation. Whether depreciation will be recorded in receipt and payment account? No. Depreciation is non-cash expenses and it will not be recorded. Provision for bad debts, it will not recorded. Cash has not get affected. So receipt and payment, in a very simple sense, when you have to prepare receipt and payment account, just amount received on receipt side with the opening balance of cash on hand and cash at bank, and paid on the right hand side of your right hand side. One thing I would like to explain here, in the format you may have observed that bank overdraft opening balance is given on payment side and closing balance is given on receipt side. So in a simple question, if a bank has only one, if the organization has only one bank account, there will be either cash at bank or bank overdraft. But suppose the organization has more than one bank account, what will happen in that case? It may be possible that one bank has cash at bank balance, debit balance, and another bank has credit balance. For example, you have SBI bank has credit balance, you have taken overdraft from SBI, or the organization has taken, and you have deposited into Axis Bank. So Axis Bank will be shown on a receipt side as opening balance. Here you have deposited debit balance with, and payment side bank overdraft balance with SBI will be shown. Now I think you are comfortable with that. Prepare receipt and payment account. You should open a question and prepare it. Go to the assignment and solve receipt and payment account. How can we solve it? Okay. Till then, goodbye.